as some sort of sponge material. It's thoroughly glued onto the roof. So get rid of all that treat and reline it. Show us the tool you're using, Jude.
It's just a saw blade. It's about all I can do to scrape it. And
our hacksaw blade, and it's doing the job. I found a cat light. Looks as if it's seen better days, doesn't it? Oh, that's terrific. Now we've got a ventilator, and we'll have to take that apart. Just pull this out of the way. Take that apart and clean out the wasps. There's a swag of wasps in there when I first parked the truck. So, that's a good one.
I don't know how much further you want to take that back.
It's looking pretty good, Jude. It's just the loose stuff needs coming off, and then we can really, I mean, if you can't get it off, it's a pretty good base.
Yeah.
Okay, smile. It's the jib of the crane that we're going to paint. Just this top section and the front section here as well. It's been painted several times. And what we're planning to do is just get rid of the chips and cracks. We're feathering the edges around all these chips and cracks, and then we'll repaint this top section. Over here at the cylinder at the moment, the cylinder and the support, we'll leave that as it is. It'll detract from it visually, but we're not going to waste our time painting that at the moment because the top seal probably needs replacing, and we'll deal with it then. So, this is how we're going about it. You can see the various layers of paint showing up, then we're back to steel here as well. There's a primer coat, a yellow coat. We've already taken off what was a charcoal hammer tone or some such paint over the top of that. So that was on top of the yellow, on top of the primer, on top of the steel. So we've probably got about another hour to do this, and then we'll come back and throw a bit of paint at it. Amazing preparation. We've ground out all the chips, and we've feathered all the edges, and Judy's done a great job of masking everything so that we don't have to clean up too much after we finish the paint. Here's Jude working her magic again, repairing stuff, so that it makes us feel happy. Look at this. This is a definite temporary fix until such time as we can get some metal belt bent to shape and do a proper job with it. But that looks so much better. I'll probably try one more layer on the top of that to whiten up the middle strip. Just one straight piece perhaps, like that. And we'll have a look in a minute. I don't know how to stop this thing. Final piece just to cover up the last of the darkness. Let there be lightness. So it's pretty hard filming and doing and all the rest of that. So half a second I'll get out of the way. So looking from outside now. The truck has now got a sort of a white helmet behind the driver's back. We've also got the window bracket sorted out, and we've got that side door sorted as well, side door panel. Just finishing off a couple of bits here, so it looks okay. Okay. The mirror supports are on there. And there, yeah. The mirror is on fitted all temporarily because if the mirror is on, we won't be able to get out of the cockpit. So this is now pretty much sorted out. Put the crane in the background. And last, the door lining is now back in place. Alright, the yellow plane. Look at that. Neither of us can believe how long it's taken to put those mirror supports. But life goes on. Inside the doors, we vacuumed out, and we're going to use a product I've just become very fond of. It's called Lanotech. And from all intents and purposes, this is the absolute best rust preventer in the world. So we'll get a good liberal amount of there on that. I'll just give the camera to Judy while I do the winder, because the winder is very stiff. Apart from being an excellent rust inhibitor, it's also a very good lubricant.
It smells like
So we're just doing
dead sheep.
Eh?
Smells like dead sheep.
Eh? Well, it is dead sheep, exactly. So here comes the rack down. And so along here, try and ease up the movement a bit. We'll use the snacker. Oh. That was so stiff. It'll probably work in, I hope, because at the moment it's stiffer than I would like it. Maybe after life in the trenches for a bit, it'll work. Now there is a spiral piece here, which is sort of a cog, which I think is how it all cranks up. Haven't seen what it looks like inside. But this will kind of want you to avoid winding the windows up because you can't get them back down again. Okay, that's it. Getting there. It's taken a while, a bit longer than we thought, but
It's looking a bit better than we thought too.
yeah, those what you call it?
The mirrors.
Yes, yeah. We've still got a
Like I bought one.
roof.
Ah. Fancy.
If you wanted, but anyway,
Aye.
it's all one colour.
Yeah. 20 foot stunner.
There we go. So just turn this on.
Oh, you make rubber washers.
Yeah.
Cool.
You see my rubber washer kit? Bloody fantastic.
Huh.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there. So,
Nice.
and it puts a centre on it,
Yeah.
so you can do the inside.
Yeah.
Puts a centre on it. So when you're doing the
Outside.
inside
yeah,
one.
Yeah.
do that part.
Oh, neat.
Washer with a hole in the centre.
Awesome.
I found one that has a hole in the centre. So that's just, screw on, screw
Yeah,
on.
lovely.
Bloody beautiful.
Excellent. There's new glass on the mirrors. Nearly all back together. Fancy.